वो कहते हैं ना कि हर एक सफ़र कहीं ना कहीं शुरू होती है। For me, it started in a small town, just like you. A place where dreams are born, but not always given wings. A middle class family and a dream to change not just my life, but my family's future. तुम्हारी ही तरह मैंने भी अपना पहला कदम बढ़ाकर अपने जर्नी की शुरुआत की। Since childhood we weren't privileged. हमारे पेरेंट्स ने बहुत मेहनत किया और अपने सपनों को सैक्रिफाइस किया ताकि हम कुछ कर सके। ग्रोइंग अप वी सॉ देयर स्ट्रगल्स, देयर साइलेंट बैटल्स, और यही जन्म लेता है सबसे बड़ा सपना, द ड्रीम टू बिल्ड अ लाइफ वेयर आवर फैमिलीज वुडंट हैव टू वरी अबाउट रेंट्स, बिल्स और फॉर देयर फ्यूचर। Like many of you, I also moved to a big city carrying nothing but hopes, ambitions and the weight of expectations. सेकेंड ईयर का इंजीनियरिंग स्टूडेंट जो सब कुछ समझने की कोशिश कर रहा है। बट द ट्रुथ इज कॉलेज isn't just about books and exams. ये अपने आप को पहचानने का टाइम है। And somewhere along the way I realized that academic success doesn't guarantee success in life. So I started exploring. I found my passion for storytelling, for poetry and for content creation. I joined clubs, met new people, learned new skills. हर एक एक्सपीरियंस कुछ नया सिखाता और समझाता मुझे। लेकिन ये सब आसान नहीं है ना? Here comes the biggest challenge. Procrastination, self-doubt, lack of motivation. We all go through it, and honestly, I still struggle with it. But what matters is, what do we do about it? How do we fight with our internal battles? क्योंकि ये सिर्फ मेरा स्ट्रगल और चैलेंज नहीं है, ये हम सभी फेस करते हैं। For me, it's simple. I just focus on one trusted source and keep going. I don't get lost into a sea of advices. And most importantly, I believe in myself. Because if I don't, who else will? This channel, this journey, it's not just about me, it's about us. The countless students who leave their homes, step into a big city, and dream of making it big. We all see successful people once they have made it. But what about the struggles, the mistakes, the failures, the late night filled with doubts? So that's what I wanted to show you all here. Not just the wins, but the entire process. Whether success comes or not, that doesn't matter at all. What truly matters is the journey itself, the lessons, the mistakes, the raw, unfiltered reality of trying to become something. So, if you have ever felt lost, if you have ever questioned yourself, if you have ever wanted to become something but didn't know where to start, this is for you. We will go through this together. I am on a self-improvement journey and I want you to be part of it. Together, we will learn, we will grow, we will push past our limits and become the best versions of ourselves. From skills to self-confidence, from financial independence to personal development. We will figure it out, step by step. You will see my struggle, my failures, my mistakes, and how I overcome them. You will not just hear the stories of success, you will witness the entire process. Live it with me, because at the end of the day, our future is shaped by what we do today. So let's start, let's build, let's transform our lives together. Happy journey.